we Gabby Instruments introduces the new LCD digital microscope specially for fabric. This is a microscope specially for fabric. I will explain you how to use it. Just switch it on. And keep it on a sample and just zoom. That's it. I will show you another sample. Just you can move and just zoom it. You can check all damages, whatever the things. Use this cable. We can see the live video on a system also to see the damages on a fabric. I will explain you. Use this USB cable. When you connect, it will ask mass storage or PC camera. Mass storage means it's a SD card, and PC camera is a system. Just come to here and just give OK. That's it. This is the software we are going to use. After selecting PC camera, just keep the microscope on a fabric. The same live video, we can see it on a system. And it's easy to use, and you can take a photo or video, anything we can take. It will save it on a system. Thank you.